In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail theme Yahoo Dark Mode. We'll walk through updating your Yahoo Mail look in a web browser so you can switch to dark mode, choose a color you like, decide where it applies, and make sure the change sticks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Yahoo Mail. Sign into your account as you normally would. Using an up-to-date browser and a steady internet connection will help the settings panel load smoothly. If you're recording or sharing your screen, keep your personal information private and avoid showing any sensitive details while you sign in. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon, which opens settings. Click it, and a panel will slide out. In this panel, you'll see theme choices represented by colored circles, along with mode options such as light, medium, and dark. Click any colored circle to preview different accents, and choose the mode that feels best. Light mode has a brighter background, medium reduces glare a bit, and dark mode provides a dimmer interface that's easier on the eyes in low light and can help with eye strain. You can click around to test combinations until the interface feels comfortable and readable. Next, decide where the theme should apply. You'll see options like applying the theme to your inbox only, or applying it everywhere. Inbox only limits the new look to your main message list and reading pane. Everywhere applies it across Yahoo Mail, including folders, the Compose window, settings pages, and menus. If you like a subtle change, select Inbox only. If you prefer a consistent look, choose Everywhere. After selecting your color and mode, and where it applies, reload the page to apply the changes fully. Use your browser's reload button or the keyboard shortcut for refresh. When the page finishes reloading, click around to different sections, open a message, visit your folders, or start a new email to confirm the theme is active in the places you selected. Remember, you can return to the settings gear anytime to switch colors or swap between light, medium, and dark. There's no penalty for experimenting, and you can always adjust the contrast if text feels too light or too bold. This change only affects how you see Yahoo Mail in your account. It doesn't alter how your emails look to other people. That's it. You've updated your Yahoo Mail theme and enabled dark mode in the browser. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.